boys and girls, today we're going to count to 5 and back. But what does that mean? That means we're going to count up to 5 and then count down all the way to 0. But first, we're going to do whole body counting, okay? And we're going to count up from 1 to 5 and then back from 5 to 1, okay? We're going to do shoulder taps. Are you ready? All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we're going to count backwards, okay? We're going to start with 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, blast off. Okay, so that's how we count back. So do you remember the story we read last week about the 5 little monkeys jumping on the bed? What happened in the story? That's right, the monkeys were jumping on the bed and then they kept falling off the bed. But every time one jumped off, so we started with 5, right? 5 monkeys. What happens when the first monkey jumped the bed? He fell off and bumped his head. Now we had 4 monkeys. And then they jumped again and another one fell. And then it happened again, that's right. And another one fell, and then there were 2. Another one jumped and fell, and then we went to 1. And then there was no monkeys left on the bed. So do you notice how we had 5 monkeys? We had 5 fingers up, and every time one fell off, we would put our finger down. And do you see how we went 5, 4, 3, 2, 1? And then there were no monkeys left. That is what counting back means, okay? So now we have 3 optional worksheets that you can choose from, okay? If you want to do them all, great. If you want to do some, awesome. All right, so let's go with the first worksheet. Okay, so I already started it, but we have to first put our name, okay? And then, how many monkeys are on the first bed? 1 monkey, so we write our number 1 and we do top to bottom. And then let's look at the next bed. How many monkeys are on there? Let's count. 1, 2. All right, and we count 2, so we write the number 2 around the railroad track and back on it, okay? And then I want you to do the rest on your own, okay? Now I have another worksheet that is similar to that one, but it has more monkeys on the bed. Bigger numbers. Okay, first thing we do is write our name. Go ahead and do that. Okay, so how many monkeys are on the first bed? Whoa, that's a lot of monkeys. Let's see, let's count. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we write a number 5. Do you remember how to write a number 5? That's right. So to write a number 5, we do a neck, a belly, and a hat. So we have neck, belly, and hat. Okay, now I want you to do the rest on your own, okay? And I have another worksheet that you can choose from. It is rainbow writing. First thing we do is write our name. Okay, now we can also use snap cubes. These, okay? We can use them to count back. So I have 5. Now if we count backwards, that means I'm gonna take one off every time I count, okay? So I have 5, take one off, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, so you can use those to count backwards too, okay? All right, so on our worksheet, we have snap cubes, okay? Now, rainbow writing. Do you remember what rainbow writing is? That's right, we write our numbers with different colors. Okay, so we start at the dot, okay? And down, and then we use our other color. You can use as many colors as you want, okay? But remember not to color it in. Just write the number and down. All done, okay? And then there's 5, and I want you to do all of them, okay? But notice how there's only 1 snap cube. So this is the number 1. If you don't know what this number is, you just count. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you have 4. So you can do this worksheet also, okay?